In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magnific AI Desktop for real estate. By the end, you'll be able to turn property ideas into polished, on-brand visuals that help listings stand out. Start by opening the Magnific app. Once you're in, look to the left panel and open Image Generator. This is your workspace for creating property visuals, from exterior hero shots to interior concept images. At the top, choose a model. The model you pick shapes the final look. So for real estate, lean toward options that emphasize photorealism, accurate lighting, and architectural detail. If you're unsure, start with a general photorealistic model and adjust later. Next, head to References. References guide the model with real-world context so images feel grounded and authentic. Click Add to attach a reference. For this walkthrough, select Location. Location references help anchor scenery, climate, and architectural cues to a specific place, which is especially useful if you're marketing homes in a distinct region or neighborhood. Choose the location that best matches your listing or target market, then confirm your selection. After picking it, click Add again so it's actually attached to your session. Now, craft your prompt in the prompt field. Be clear and specific. Include the property type, key features, exterior materials, desired time of day, mood, and any must-have elements. For example, specify modern suburban two-story with large windows, warm evening light, inviting landscaping, rather than a vague house description. If you're preparing images for a flyer, mention that too so the composition stays clean and legible. Decide how many results you want to generate. More results give you variety to choose from, but they'll take a bit longer to process. Then choose the layout. Landscape often suits listing pages and slideshows, portrait is great for stories or one-sheets, and square works well for feeds and grid-based galleries. When everything looks good, click Generate. Magnific will render your selections using the chosen model, references, and prompt. If the first pass isn't perfect, refine your prompt language or adjust the location reference and generate again until the visuals match your brand and the property's story.